Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials: billing, app listing, and tracking. Link Firebase or an Analytics SDK so you can measure installs and in-app events. Once done, create a new campaign and choose a mobile-focused goal like app installs or in-app conversions because that aligns bids to outcomes. Next, select a daily budget and a bid strategy. Automated bidding often speeds early learning. Make sure to gather short headlines, square images, and a 16:9 video before you build ad groups. Now you focus on execution. Set precise targeting and structure. You should define audiences by age, device, interests, and custom intent so your ads reach likely users. Then build ad groups by theme and upload at least 3 creative variations to test headlines, images, and short videos. This fuels optimization. For bidding, choose target CPA or maximize conversions. Start bids slightly higher than baseline to gather data quickly. Once the set runs, monitor cost per install and finish by optimizing and scaling your mobile ads. You should watch installs, cost per install, ROAS, and retention. Focus on 1 and 7 day conversion windows to judge quality. When a creative or audience wins, scale gradually. Bump budget 20 to 30% per week and expand similar audiences. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Verify the SDK or tracking integration, confirm conversion actions, and resend test events. Make sure URL parameters and deep links work. Once fixed, resume scaled testing to maintain performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.